your first job? I certainly remember mine. As a teenager, my first official job was me working for a public accounting firm. And boy, was I making some good money. Join me today as I share some things that you should do as a parent if you have a working teen in your household. Hi, parents. I'm Holly Reid Tootle, the creator of the masterplaybook.com, and you are in the right place if you want to raise money smart kids and give them a solid financial foundation. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell. And if you have a teen that is working this year, I have a tip that I want to make sure you execute and don't miss out on this opportunity for an important money lesson about what they should be doing with the money that they are earning. Now, I hear it time and time again. Parents pull me to the side and they say, Holly, my teen is working, but they are blowing every check. They are blowing it on clothes, on shoes, hanging out, being social with their friends. And while I think that is partially acceptable, there is a huge opportunity to make sure that they are learning some money lessons along the way. Yes. Why are our teens working? What are they working for? What is the reason? Is it to save money for their extracurricular activities? Is it to save money for a big purchase like a car? Or maybe you just want your child to have the experience and the intrinsic rewards of demonstrating leadership on the job, working as a team, learning customer service skills, learning how to communicate and work with different people and different personalities. Those are all valuable lessons. But when it comes to working as a team, we also want to make sure that they're getting the money lesson along the way. And that may not come naturally. That's where you come in. My tip is to help your teen set a goal for the money that they are earning. We don't want to see them totally blow it, right? So we want to help them set a real goal and for you to help hold them accountable throughout the year. Again, this is a great opportunity to teach your child financial responsibility. Maybe there is a cell phone bill that you would like for them to help pay for. Maybe this is a great time for your child to practice saving for something really big that's going to take them a while. Building that savings muscle that we've been talking about. Whatever is relevant for your working teen, it is up to you to set the expectation. Many of us are in a great financial position where we have some discretionary income to help our kids have and achieve the things that they want and need. But it's really important for us to make sure our kids know how to work hard, save, and really value the things that they want and or need. To encourage your teen along the way, you can always incentivize them. Incentivize them by making a deal, right? We want to make sure that our kids have some skin in the game for the things that they are working towards. So, to encourage and motivate our kids, we can always incentivize the deal. One way is to challenge your child to save at least 70% of their total goal, and maybe you gift the remaining 30%. Or maybe the split is they save 50% of the total goal and you gift them the other 50%. It's totally up to you. The point is just to encourage and motivate them so that they will see it through. Now, I want to hear from you. What was the biggest thing you can remember saving for or working for as a teenager? Let me know in the comments. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I trust you found today's tip helpful. If so, let me know in the comments and be sure to share with your friends and family.